Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this example we're going to be terminating a 10mm square cable. First thing to do is to check the end to make sure it isn't oxidized. You want clean strands to work with. In this case it is, and so we're going to chop off an inch or so to reveal the clean strands. You can see the difference. We can now carefully remove the sheathing without damaging the strands using our cutters. As you remove, squeeze and twist off so your cable strands begin to bind, and that is ready for the copper tube terminal or lug. So the copper tube terminals come in various sizes. Choose the terminal to suit your application, of course. In this case it's a 10mm square copper tube terminal. We've got a 6mm hole there to be able to bolt down. Insert the cable, push and twist up through the inspection hole in the end there. You want to be able to see your cable. This product here is from Durite. It's a mechanical crimp to be able to crimp the copper tube terminal down onto the cable strands. Again, making sure that your cable is pushed up. Place the terminal into the gully and position yourself so you're able to strike down with a mallet. A few good strikes will see that the terminal is crimped to the cable. The connection is strong and secure. From this stage we need to add our heat shrink. A couple of inches of heat shrink placed over the lug and slid down onto the cable, positioned so that the heat shrink isn't compromising the bolt when it is screwed down into position. We can take our heat gun, shrinking down, twisting over and shrinking the other side. We can now inspect the heat shrink to make sure that we're happy that it's bedded down, and we want to maximise the least chances for moisture to enter those copper strands. You could use this as it is now, but what we like to do, as with all our cables, is to add split conduit for that added protection. Feed the split conduit down through the cable. That now adds an extra layer of protection before compromising the insulation, then the copper strands. That is the bare minimum that our cables receive for our conversions. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and we'll catch up soon.